Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing risk to the spider and yourself. Put on thin gloves and eye protection, then gather a soft cotton string and a long stick. Once ready, approach slowly and keep movements fluid so you don't startle the spider. Make sure to observe the web geometry and the spider's main anchor points. Knowing where the threads go tells you how to free a string without cutting important supports. Begin at the outermost non-critical thread and work inward in short, deliberate actions. You now focus on the middle steps. Use the stick to gently lift nearby non-sticky threads so the target string has a clear path. Never pull directly on the spider's body. Feed the soft cotton string along the non-adhesive structural lines, guiding it with short, steady pushes so it slides free without snagging. If the spider hesitates, give a subtle vibration to encourage relocation. Remain patient and keep hands steady, because slow, deliberate adjustments protect the web's integrity and the spider's life. Finish by securing the freed string to a temporary anchor or spool so it won't recontact the web. You should slide the removed material away along the path the spider will retreat, keeping motion smooth to avoid startling it back onto the thread. Once the string is clear, inspect the web for critical damage and gently reposition any structural lines with the stick. Troubleshooting tip. If the spider clings stubbornly, stop and wait calmly for up to 5 minutes. Forceful tugs are the main cause of accidental harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.